a love marriage, arranged marriage. So I met Faizan around 4 years back. We were just like normal family, far off relative.
She didn't know anyone in Pune, so her father asked me to go and meet her.
2 years later, then Faizan texted my mother instead of me. And then he realized it's not me, it's my mother. Then my mother gave me his number and then we started talking.
We went out together a few times and then it just naturally felt that okay, like it's the right match for me at least. I don't know about her.
So if you talk about matching and non-matching, so me and Faizan are completely opposite person. I am like super loud, always out there to talk. I want this, all drama in my life. He's like very shy and like kind of reserved person. He doesn't like too much of this, that, and he's like, think before you speak. And I'm like, oh, I'm always there. I can just do anything, anytime. I'll just ask something, which is like, what?
I'm someone who is very silent. So I wanted someone who is more social, who is more talkative. And she's actually a little more than what I had wanted for myself.
हर रंग तू बेरंग में हर रंग तू तेरी मुझे है जुस्तजू तेरी मुझे
Our family will always know like something is going on. It was never like, okay, we are doing something that they don't know. I think if it was exactly like that, I would have called it like love marriage. This is like some between thing, which I don't know what exactly is, but it's something like that.
I told my parents that okay, I like this girl and like I would like to get married to her.
रंग इश्क के जाएंगे घुल मौलाए कुल
And definitely I'm looking forward for marriage because Faizan is going to be my personal cook now. I don't know cooking.
I'm looking forward to cook for her in future.
And I'm so lucky that he knows such a nice cooking. So I am like set.
And I'm happy that she likes the food I make.
So message for Faizan is all the best, babe. I'm going to shop a lot. Spend all your money. Make sure I'll make sure that I suck all your blood. So be ready.
माही वे मेरी अखियाँ तेरे नाल लगियाँ भोली भाली रे हुई तेरी मतवाली बन गई जाके तेरी सगियाँ हो माही वे मेरी अखियाँ
They have this weird chemistry where they fight every minute and make up the next. So it's more like a cat and dog thing. It's never going to end, but I think that's the spice of their married life.
मेरे मेहरबान जाना कभी ना तू रुस के
जिंदगी तेरे रंग रंग वाली यारियां लाइयां यारा पक्कियां
माही वे तेरी अखियां कर गई ठगियां
बातें झूठी सच्चियाँ